Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Mahesh. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mahesh.
Hey, hi. Good morning. Good morning, Mahesh.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, Mahesh. Good morning, Indrajit. Good morning, all.
Team, today will be the last free session, right? So if you have any questions, you can shoot me, guys. I will be available for a couple of minutes now.
Yes, guys, any questions that you have, you guys can go ahead. Any questions related to anything related to your careers?
Hi, Indrajit.
Hi, Vishwanath.
So, is there any criteria that if somebody did the arts and they can do the Power Platform course, is it okay? Or
Sorry, come again.
actually, I'm in IT right now, and one of my friend did arts, and he want to do the Power Platform course. He can, or
Yeah, he can do that. This is low code, no code course. You don't need to have anything as a prerequisite to join this course. Everything will be covered from scratch.
okay, thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else, anything guys that you want to discuss with me or Mahesh? So he will be dropping off in few minutes. Any career related doubts, anything that you want to discuss, guys? This is a last free preview session, guys. So you are able to see three QR codes on your screen. First one is for the group where you will be able to see all the KSR, Power Platform Solution, Power Platform Development Session updates. Then second one is for website portfolio. Third one is for AI interview hub tool where you will go ahead and you can able to go see the interview questions. So you can scan the QR code and use it. Yeah, Mahind.
Here I'm not able to open that QR code for the website portfolio and the AI interview hub. I'm opening from my mobile, showing this QR code has been deactivated for some reason.
Okay. Team, is it a known issue?
Hi, Rishesh. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Satish. Yeah, through this side actually, I'm using my brother's Zoom.
Okay, okay.
Forgot to change the name.
Okay, you can ping me on my WhatsApp. I'll share with you all details.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, any other questions, team, related to your, along with, apart from the technical, like, related to any questions on placements, opportunities, any other questions you have? Okay, no worries. Let's start the session, Indra. We can proceed further.
Cool. Thank you, Mahesh. Yes, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Indrajit.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So guys, welcome back to KSI Data Vision. This is the final preview session on Power Apps module. This is the fifth session, guys. So today what we will be discussing is we will be discussing form validation in Canvas apps, and we will be discussing about batch function. So basically, in short, we will be taking it forward from the point where we left on Friday. Here you go. So guys, I am able to recall like some of you are facing issues, right, with the drop downs, isn't it? You are able to see item 1, item 2, item 3 here instead of actual values. How many of you are facing that issue? Guys, good morning. Are you up?
Hi, good
Yes,
morning.
Indra.
No,
Yes.
Yes, Indra.
Okay, then respond. Are you guys facing that issue? Someone pinged in the group?
Yeah, I was facing that issue. Later, I saw some details in group and I fixed that.
Yeah, so guys, it is very easy to fix. That is a known issue. That is nothing serious or very thing. So you just go to select your drop down control, go to items. So items will be nothing what it will be the items that you are able to display. That will be the content of your drop down basically. So as of now, the content of the dropdown is the choice column from department. You can remove this and add it again. That's it. It will resolve the issue. You can click on unlock to change the properties. So what you need to do, click on Control A, Control X, play the app, okay, and then go back and copy paste the same thing again here. That's it. It will resolve your issue. Clear?
Yes.
Cool. So now guys, coming back, I think the changes that I did in the doubt session, it does not got saved properly. Let me change the color to white. And for this one, there was a color that we changed, chevron color. Let me change it to blue again. Let me save it. Now, guys, what are the changes? What are the form validations that we discussed yesterday? Can we go ahead and auto-populate employee name directly? Can we do that?
Yes.
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 How to do that?
Use function.
Sure.
User function. Okay, very good. So in which properties, guys, we will be using that? These are all the properties.
Default mode.
Default? Sure?
Default mode. Default mode.
Okay. So I will say user dot email. Very
Email.
good. It will be user dot full name, right? Because this is employee name, isn't it? So now, guys, I'm still able to edit it. Should I edit it? Should the user will be able to edit?
No.
So now, how you can control the editing? Which property you have to play with? Come on. You know it already. We discussed it. You just have to relate.
We can lock the in advance.
Sorry.
Display
In
mode
advance, we can
to
do.
view.
Very good. Very good. You have to change the display mode. Display mode of what? Display mode of this control, right? You can select the control and see here if you have display mode or not. Here you go. This is your display mode, right? So as of now, it is parent or display mode. You can go ahead and change it to display
View.
mode dot
View.
what? View or disabled. So view will look like this. Okay. This is view mode. So if you want to make it look like disabled, you can go ahead and make it disabled. So disable is little better. Why? Because you are able to see proper border here, right? Proper control. Getting it?
Yes, Indra.
Yes.
So,
Clear,
Indra,
everybody?
yes.
Yeah,
I
go
have a
ahead.
doubt. Like, when you were asking, like, why when we can populate it by the name directly, uh, and why couldn't we use display mode then there over there instead we use default?
Where?
Maybe we could have used display mode view or edit. Sorry, display mode edit instead of default for the property for populating it. Like when we
Populating in the
use the
default. Here
yeah
you're saying.
yeah
Here what does default mean? First thing first. Default means what will be the default value, right? So you will be adding the default value here. That should be populated in the control. Display mode is the property which will control the view mode of the property. View mode of the control, basically. Whether it will be new mode, edit mode, or view mode. Okay,
okay,
there
that is
these are
for the
two
whole
different
form.
properties. Not for the form. It is for the control that you have selected, and the control is text input. We are
Okay,
working on this control now,
yeah,
which is a
got it.
part of the form.
So couldn't we use in dot edit instead, display mode dot edit instead of default, using the default thing?
No, you are messing up all the things. Default is different display mode. Display mode is different property. These are two different properties altogether. Default is different property. Display mode is different property. Display mode will control the mode of the control. Basically, whether it will be in edit mode, view mode, or disable mode. Have you joined late, Sana?
No, I haven't. I'm just kind of confused with the modes, so I had that out.
No, no need to get confused with the modes. Mode is nothing what, like now, as of now, it is disabled, right? So it is showing as disabled. So now, if you
Yes.
want to change it to new, if you want people to go ahead and make changes here, you can go to make it to edit. So now people will be able to edit the control. These are control level settings, display mode, whatever it is. Look, you are able to edit now. So I
Yeah.
don't want user to edit it. So that's why I change it to disabled.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Clear, guys? It is very simple, basically. Harikesh, clear?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes, Indra.
Cool. Now, guys, department is good. Submission date is good. Claim type is good. Amount is good. Approved amount is good. Approved amount. Should it be here while submitting? While submitting?
No.
Very good. So how to get rid of it? You can go to select the form, click on edit field, and here you
Indra,
can.
I'm not able to see your screen. I think it is.
Is it with everyone?
No.
No.
We can see the screen.
No, we can see your screen.
Can you please rejoin?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So guys, how to remove this? We want to get rid of approved amount, right? Click on three dot, remove.
Mm.
And what else you can get rid of? Let's see. Description required. Invoice number required. Claim status
Required.
required.
Now,
Okay.
but here claim status while submitting it will be we can't get the status of the claim, right?
Yeah, while submitting, you can by default you can say it is in pending, right? So you can get rid of claim status also. Let's remove the claim status. How to do that? Select the form, find here claim status, click on three dot, remove. Completion date required?
No. Here it's not required.
Very good. Remove. Contact number required?
Required.
Yes.
Yes.
Email
Required.
Yes.
can be auto-populate email somehow.
Yes.
Yes.
User dot email.
On which property I have to write that?
In default property.
Display.
Very good. In default property, I have to write the user email, right?
Someone just said display. That's the confusion.
Yeah, that's fine because every might be both the things are getting started with D, right?
Oh.
Not an issue. User dot, it happens like you are just starting it, right? Once you will practice for 2-3 times, everything will fall in place. User dot email, right? So it will go ahead and add the email. Now I don't want user to edit it. So which property I need to edit, guys?
Display mode.
Very good. Display mode. And instead of parent dot display mode, you can say display mode dot disable. Here you go. Employee ID required, employee type required, location required, RM required. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
Making sense?
Yes. Yes.
So now, guys, do you need to have claim ID also here? Claims ID should be auto-generated behind the scenes, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
So should you ask user to go ahead and add the claims ID?
No.
No.
No, right? So you can get rid of this also. Remove. I can go ahead and change the column to 3. So that we have more larger control with more space. Cool. So now, guys, there are no chances of making any errors here, right? No chances of having any issues here. No chances of having any issues here. No chances of having any issues here. Amount anyway, it should be free text only. Description should be free text only. Invoice number should be free text. Contact number should be free text. Email number, fine. This thing, fine. Location, fine. Employee ID, free text, right? So now our form is more streamlined, isn't it?
Yes.
So now, guys, what we can do, as of now, I can add any contact number, right? Look, isn't it? Can we go ahead and implement a validation here? Like it should not be exceeding or not be preceding 10 digits. It should be exactly 10 digits. Can we do that?
Yes, understand.
Yes.
Tell me, what is the logic?
If the contact number is below 10 digits or above 10 digits, it shows some errors, I think.
Okay, very good. So which functions you will be using?
If function.
Very good, very good. If function, right? If contact number is not equals to 10, not equals to 10 is nothing but it should be exactly equals to 10, right?
Yes.
Getting it, guys?
Yes.
What about others?
Yes.
So, guys, now the thing is where you have to write that function on which property. This is the control, and these are all the properties available. Can someone guess on which property we will be writing it?
Max length.
Max length. Very good. Max length means you can go ahead and you can define 10 here. But the issue with this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you go. You are able to add less than 10, right?
We are talking about above the.
No, equal, exact 10.
Okay.
I want exact number. 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 6, 5, 4 is not a correct number, right? So max length means maximum that number of characters you can store. So if it is less than 10, it will not cause any issues.
So we
Getting
don't
it?
have any property which says equal to length, something like
You
that.
don't have any property. You have to write a power fx as the way like Vranika, right? Vranika said if statement we will be using, or it was someone else.
It's me.
Bandhana. Okay.
Yes.
So Bandhana said, right? So we will be using a if statement. So
On
now if
select.
statement where we will be writing on which control?
On select.
On select. What does on select means, Sana?
I'm not sure.
Not sure.
Mhm.
Answering in air.
The sound change property can be used here.
Okay, first thing first, what is on select, guys?
When you select the control.
On selecting the particular field.
On selecting the particular field or just on click, right? If you can remember, like in submit form, we have written on select of this, right? So the moment you are clicking on it, it is doing the stuff, isn't it? So do you want to do the same thing here? On click of this, you have to do.
No.
No, right? Someone said on change, isn't it? So on change means when the value is getting changed. So then that means this is our control, right? Where we will be writing on change.
Okay.
If so, now you have to find what? You have to find the length of contact number field, right? You can say length. Length of which field? Which length
Contact
of which
number.
control?
Data
Contact
card.
number is the label and the
Data
name of
card
this
value
text
Data
input
card
11.
is
value.
Data card value.
data card
11.
value 11, right? Data card value 11. So this is control, right? So you want to get what? You want to get the length of
Equal to 10.
text, right?
Dot text.
So you have to read the value from the control, right? So dot text. So now it will return you the value of text. If it is exactly equals to 10, then what should happen?
True.
Notification dot type success.
Do you really need to do success notification here? Like you,
I
congratulations, you have
think
added a
no.
valid contact number.
Not
No,
required. It.
That's a
No.
negative
not
test that we are
required.
doing, right? So we can say
It is
not equals
not
to,
equals to 10 or
yeah,
less. It
notify.
shows from some
A
error
error message
notification.
or
You
warning.
can say, please add valid contact
Contact number.
number, right? And it should be which notification?
It's an
Error
error or
notification.
warning.
Error.
Here you go. Let's see. Let's see what happens.
Yes, it shows error.
Now, guys, the moment it is showing error, should you go ahead and clear the number? Because even if the error is showing, I will click on submit. This number will get submitted, isn't it?
Yes, correct.
Right, guys? Yes, no, agree,
Yes.
disagree.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So the moment if it is like this, you should go ahead and you should clear the control also. So you can simply go to this button, this control basically, and if it is true, like the condition is true, show error notification and reset the control. Reset will clear the control, okay? Data card value 11. So now you guys, you are getting it, like why I was asking you to give meaningful name to your controls. Because it is very hard to remember data card value 11, 12, 13, 14, right?
Mm.
Isn't it?
Exactly.
Yes.
Cool. Let's see whether it is working or not. What happened? Is it getting cleared?
Yes.
Yeah, it's clear
Let
the
me write
field.
the valid number 96385274110. Did you got any error?
No, no.
No.
No. I guess it's a valid number.
Oh.
Making
Also the
sense,
same.
everyone?
Sorry.
We can also make it mandatory because when you clear it, they can still submit a form without a number.
Yes. Very good. We will come to that. First thing first, is it clear, guys? What we did? Mandatory fields I will be discussing next.
Yes, Indra, clear.
Yes, Indra. I have a small doubt. So
Yeah.
why particularly we have to choose the on change in properties? And
Look,
how do
on
we remember? How do we remember that particularly we have to choose
no,
that?
you don't have to remember or by heart anything, Sunita. You just have to understand like how these properties work. When it is on select, then that means when you're selecting the control or when you're clicking on that control. Okay. So if you now here what you want to do, you want to check the number, right? Isn't
Yes.
it? So if you will
Yes.
write it on select, the moment you will select this, the logic will trigger.
Mhm.
Okay. But
Okay.
you want to check the contact number, right? The moment you are doing some changes in here. So then in that case, you will be using on change property. On change logic that you will be writing here, that will be triggered once the field which you have here control, it will get changed. Okay.
Okay.
So can we put some logic on the button itself? Like it won't allow you to submit the form if you write the contact number wrong or something like that.
You can do the same thing here also at the bottom, at the button.
Okay,
What you
so
can do,
any
how you
this
can
way
do.
or that way?
Tell me first thing first, how you can do here. This is
Yeah,
the this is the logic which need to fire if contact number is equals to 10 digits, right?
Yes.
Tell me guys, how you can do it? It is for each one of you. Let's see.
You will write if condition.
Before submitting the form, we can apply the if condition and check the logic.
Very good. What you will do? You will simply copy paste this code, right? If it is not
Right.
equals to 10, then this will work. Otherwise, if it is not equals to 10, that means it is equals to 10, isn't it?
And then you don't have to write the reset condition, right? There or because you're already giving a check on the button.
No, you have to reset it if it is not equals to 10. You have to reset it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Irrespective of that. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. But guys, there is an issue with that. If you're checking everything on submit button, why? Tell me the issue. You are the users of the form. What will be the issue?
Indra, it's a form
Then
control.
fill up
So
all
the individual entities, like we cannot specify in the patch function. We will do the, I mean, when we are doing the
Hmm?
submit form.
Yeah, that is fine. Patch function is coming. Are you away?
No,
We
no, no.
did not
I'm
discuss.
talking about the submit. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
I mean, when we do the submit, it's kind of a bunch of entities. It's let's consider it as a gallery, but here we have it as a form where customize.
Yeah, where customized control will not submit it. You are correct.
Yeah.
But that is fine. I'm not discussing that yet. My question is, you have two ways to put the this validations, right? Like one, you can go ahead and you can put it directly in the
On
contact
change
number
property.
control, right? And second
Yeah.
thing is you can go ahead and put it on the submit button. So what is the downside of each?
So too many will get on the submit button. So, I don't know.
Sorry?
Submit button become too complex. The logic and the submit button will be
Not
too
too
complex.
complex basically, but just
Too many
think
will
all of you are users. Let me give you a different, what to say, a different point of view. Okay, you should think like this. Think all of you are user of this app. You added something here in the contact number and it has lots of fields. As of now, everything is in one view. It is sounding very simple, right? Suppose you have 15, 16 fields, okay, or 10 more fields. So there will be a scroller here,
Yes.
isn't it? So now you will add everything blindly and you will click on submit. The moment you will hit on submit, it will not let you submit because of
So
contact
you
number.
won't know which one is not, which one I'm supposed to rectify, is it? Oh, okay. You're getting a notification for that.
I
So,
think
all the
when we type in the field itself, it shows the error, right? It need not to be wait until when we click the
Yeah,
submit.
very good, Ranika.
That
Like
is
you
the
don't
so
have to wait until the submission, right? Then and there you are getting error. So you can correct it and then submit it. If you're delaying it until submit, so then there will be lots of trues, to and fro that you have to do, isn't it?
Got it.
Indrajit, we have to follow two conditions over here. First one is we have to data validation on the each data card, and second thing is on the form level. Means as soon as we submit the form, it should shows the mandatory or blank values. It should mandatory. We have to fill like that.
Yeah, so mandatory, I have not discussed yet. We are discussing the validation. So validations, it is always recommended to put in the field only instead of submit form, instead of submit button. You should not delay the validation. You should go ahead and throw the errors for per the field as soon as possible. Okay.
Right.
Yeah,
So now,
I
yeah, sorry.
think yes, until we complete the form, the submit button should not be get highlighted. Will it be
It is
possible?
possible. It is possible. Vinay, it is possible.
Okay, so in that way, I think we can errors will not get, right?
But
Avoid the
But
again,
errors.
but again,
validation delay will still be there, right?
validation delay will still be there, and how you will be going ahead and doing this thing. So you will be playing with which property? Tell me, guys, if you want to disable the button, which property you have to add the code on?
On
Invisible
select.
property.
Guys,
On
where is
change.
disabled property?
On select.
On select?
Change.
On change?
Default.
Disable.
Display mode.
Display
Very
mode.
good. It's display
Yeah.
mode, guys. I have to disable the
Display mode.
button.
Mm.
Isn't it? So display mode, how I will be disabling? I will be checking whether every field has data or not, right? Isn't it? Right,
Yes,
guys?
yes.
Yes.
Right.
Mandatory.
Mandatory fields only I will be checking, right? So
Yes.
if contact number has only 6 digits contact number and we don't have any validation, it will not go ahead and check the 10 digits, right? Until and unless I'm not checking it explicitly there. Isn't it?
Yes, yes.
So we
So you are
can
unnecessarily complicating the things. Like if you are going ahead and doing that stuff, isn't it, guys?
Yes. Indra, I just wanted to know, like, can we not put it on select and put some disable power effects formula over there instead of doing the display mode as disabled? Okay, I know we
No,
have an
Sana, like,
option over there,
look,
but
it does not happen like that way. Like you are asking questions. Okay, if in why not in default property? Why can't you say default mode dot submit? Why can't you say default mode dot sorry default mode dot disable default mode dot new? No, you can't do that. Why? Because every property will trigger on basis of certain events or actions. Right. You are saying to disable the button on select. So the moment you are selecting the button and it is getting disabled, what you're saying click on this and it will get disabled. Does it make any
okay.
sense?
No, it won't. Yeah.
Indrajit, we can put condition in the display mode, right? If form, whatever the form we have, it is valid,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
will
bro.
go to
You
the
can.
display.
You can. You
Otherwise,
can.
it will go to the display mode.
We will be doing it in the course itself. You don't have to go ahead and assume that. So here itself we will be doing it. Like here in display mode, it's a power effects field. And you can put any condition. Like suppose you want to say display mode dot edit if the name is Indra, right? And if you want to disable it if someone else is joining in, you can do that. I know, guys, it is little what to say new to you, lots of questions, but that's fine. You can ask. I'm here for all these things only.
Indra, in the real-time project, what do you prefer? A form control or individual controls of a drop-down and the input controls kind of?
Look, whatever you will add in the front end does not matter basically. So it should always be form control only. And here in form control is what? Form control is nothing but it's a combination of
Mhm.
different types of control, isn't it?
Let's
Now,
say let's say you have a condition, Indra, where you are showing up in the gallery and you need to edit something based on the this item property, right? So basically a CRUD operation. So what do you kind of prefer in the real time? Is it form you will go with, or you will place individual properties like
look,
individual drop
gallery
down or
Avinash, we
combo?
did not discuss yet, so we will be discussing it in real time. When
Mhm.
suppose you want to edit something from the gallery, so we will prefer form control only.
Okay.
Okay. So if only one thing, like suppose you are going to do bulk operation, right? Where you're bulk
Mhm.
approving the stuff. So then we can go ahead and create a pop-up. You don't need to create two like a new form for two fields, right? you can create a pop-up. So all those things we will be doing in the project. So it's just the beginning of the what to say project. It is gonna take 10, 15 more sessions, 10 to 12 more sessions.
Okay.
So I
Everything
wanted
will
to
come your
know,
way.
like, how do
Yeah.
we decide on it? Like, how do we have a better understanding on properties so that we can decide it on ourselves that, at this
It's
scenario, I'm
practice, Anna.
supposed
Like
to.
there is no cheat code for this. It's just practice that you have to do.
Okay, got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So now guys, now I have to make the fields mandatory, right? Next thing is that, right? Mandatory
Yes.
fields.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. How to make fields mandatory, guys? You can select the fields. So previously, like it was not there. Now with the help of this thing, new Power Effects stuff, it is added. There was a property which got added. Just a sec. It was required.
It's on the property.
Both are
So in
same. You
advance,
can do it from
When you
anywhere.
select,
we can
the
see in advance.
when you select the whole control, probably.
Under the max length.
Just a sec. Just a sec. Just a sec, guys. Just a sec. JKLM. No, not here. Let me select the entire control. Might be here. Yes, here you go. You have to select the entire control, guys, and here you have required. Okay. The moment you will hit required, it should be false. If you want to make it mandatory, you can say true. Okay. Do you really need to make employee name mandatory, guys?
No.
Yes.
No.
No, right? Because it's auto-populated stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right? Do you need to make department mandatory?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, department should be mandatory.
You can go ahead and make it to true. So the moment you will make it true, look, asterisk sign is getting added, isn't it?
Hmm.
And let us see if we are able to submit the form without adding the department. Are you able to submit?
No.
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 The saying department is required, right? So this form is that much intelligent now where it can go ahead and do the stuff. Submission date, guys. Submission date. Could you let user choose the submission date?
No. It will fill it automatically.
It should be
Today's date.
automatically today's
Today's date.
date, right?
Yeah, current date.
Current date. So how to do that? Click on this. Which property I need to edit, guys, to select the current date? Default date only, right?
Default date.
Current date will have today. It will return the current date. Are you able to see?
Time also mandatory, Indra.
Time. Let us see if we can auto-populate time also. Default, right? Instead of this, you can say today. Let's see if it can read the time. Twelve a.m. Today returns only date, basically. It does not return times.
UTC supports here. Can you check in the
UTC now, right?
yeah? Yeah, UTC time zone. It's giving a
It is
reference.
for conversion of time zone. Let us see in PowerFX if we have something to get the time. Okay, let's do that also. Time.
Maybe Indrajit, we can put there as a now option function, which gives you the time, current time.
Let's see. First thing first, let's see, and then use it. Now. Now function returns the current date and time, right? So you can try using now. NOW now. Here you go. 8. Right? Similarly, you can go here, display mode. Not display mode, come on. It is default, right? So now you guys are messing up my concepts also. Okay, cool. Fine. Making sense, guys. 8:46, 8:47. My dear friends, is it clear?
Clear,
Yes.
clear.
Or
Clear.
no?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Claim type, mandatory or not?
Yes, it's
Mandatory.
Yes, mandatory. Yeah.
Okay. Amount.
Yes.
True. Description.
No.
Let's make it optional. Invoice number.
Yes.
I want you to implement one more validation. Let's see how many of you implement in the homework. True. Contact number.
Yes.
Let's make it
Yeah.
mandate.
Mandatory.
Email.
No.
sort of.
Not required.
Autocomplete.
Employee ID also we can make it optional. Optional. Let's everything be optional. Otherwise, every time we have to add everything before creating the record. Okay, that's fine. Now, guys, let's try to submit the form. Department, sales. Claim type, certification. Amount, 5,000. Invoice number, some random number. Description, testing. Employee ID, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Employee name, employee type, full time. Location, Hyderabad. RM, suppose Indra. Okay. Now guys, let me open our database also. SharePoint. Which batch is yours?
December.
Morning batch, December.
December morning batch. Lots of batches. December 2025 morning batch, right? This one. Okay. Expense details. And let me submit. Let's wait. It got submitted.
Yes, submitted. Yes.
Cool. Claim ID not generated because we did not generated it, right? Employee ID, employee name, department, email, contact number, location, employee type, RM, claim status. Claim status we did not moved, right? Submission date came. This came. Certification came. 5,000 came, right? And everything else came, isn't it? Right, guys?
But the
Yes, yes.
submit time is
I have
showing different, Indra.
Submission.
I have
Submission time is showing 7:16 p.m. there.
Yeah, because we did not, it automatically converted it, the time zone. Okay. It is in UTC. If you can say the date. 12:28. Today is what?
12:28 here. Okay, are you 12:27?
Today is
9?
12:29, guys. 29 December.
29.
So
Yes.
you did it here and it has submitted in the UTC time now, time zone. So if you want to convert into IST, you have to convert the time zone before submitting. Getting it?
Okay, got it.
Indra, I have one doubt here. So
Mm-hmm.
in this form level, we taken the properties for the required to make it as a mandatory, right? Or the star,
Mm-hmm.
right? So there is another option we can put it in the backend also, like in SharePoint while creating the list. If we put in the mandatory, that is also work or not?
With
While creating the list
SharePoint,
also.
with SharePoint, it will work. It will work for every the data source. It will not take the data. If it is mandatory, it will not take the data. It will throw you a GUID here, like something very weird with this ID and all. Beardo, you will get.
Okay, so
Okay.
the best practice is we have to make it a form level, right?
Look, best practice, like even if you have it in the database level, it should be mandatory on the form level also, because people will be using the form, right? They are not using the database, isn't it, Vishwanath?
Right, right, right.
So you should know, right? What is mandatory? So it should sync. Okay. Now, guys, instead of adding the RM here, isn't it a very tedious thing, guys? Can I go ahead and replace RM control with a drop down? Suppose we have only two RM, me and Mahesh. So you can select from two people, isn't it, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Choice.
what I will do, I will remove this control. This is text input control, right? I will remove this text input control. Chala ja bhai. Unlock to change property. I will delete this and I will replace it with what? Which
Drop
control?
down.
Drop down.
Drop down.
Are you sure it should be drop down?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Insert, drop down. Now drop down should have which values? What should be the choices in drop
Names.
down, guys? Names तो ठीक है. What will be the names?
Indra and Mahesh.
Indra and Mahesh.
Very good. Very good. Killing it, guys. Just a sec. Let me increase the height a bit. Okay. So whatever values will come in the drop down, it will be coming from which property, guys? If you see here, this is the drop down, right? So you are getting the choice of claim details, claim type. It is in which property?
Items.
Items property.
Items.
Items, right? So in, I will choose this drop down. I will go to items property. Instead of sample, I would say two names. Indrajit. Avinash, bro, some noise coming from your end. Please be on mute. I will give you time to ask question. Mahesh, right? So now I have two RMs, right? So I can go ahead, choose my RM and submit. Making sense?
Yes.
Everyone with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see the magic. Let me submit a record. I'm adding some random values, guys. Okay. Don't take it seriously. Okay. C2H, Hyderabad. You will be like, this guy is too obsessed with Hyderabad. Let's take NCR. Okay. So now, guys, everything is added. Submit. Submitted.
Yes, submitted.
Let's go back and see here. Everything is copied. Everything is copied. But are you able to see something?
RM is not.
RM is empty.
Showing
Uh,
2
RM is empty. Why it is empty? Because we have changed the control in the form, right? Out of the box, it generated a text control because it was a free text in the backend, right? Isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Right, guys.
You mean
So
in
now,
data source?
now your patch function is not able to map to RM, isn't it?
So it's because in data source we have kept text function
Yes.
and text.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now your this submit form function has lots of shortcomings, right? First thing first, I want to convert this time to UTC, from UTC to IST, right? Isn't it? Can you do that with submit form? No, right? This is not getting mapped. Similarly, claim ID is not getting generated, right? That we have to auto generate, isn't it? Right,
Yes.
guys?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
So these are all the customizations that we have to do. So for to do all these customizations, guys, we will use another way to submit the form, which is called as which is called as
Function.
batch function, right? So we will be using batch function to submit the form now instead of submit form. So guys, for patch function, it will require a dedicated 1 hour session to only write the code because a lot of things we will be writing there. So I will be covering it tomorrow in the next class. I want to hold it here. I want to give you guys 30 minutes to ask the doubt because I know this is the last preview session and there are a lot of people who are joining here for the first time, and I want you to go ahead and interact with me any doubts that you have. And at the same time, if the people who don't have credentials or who have not enrolled yet, so they please get your credentials generated. There are lots of things that you have to do that we did in the 5 sessions. Okay, so I will hold it here for the day. I rest my case, guys. So now whatever doubts you have, you guys can go ahead.
And Mahesh, at what point should we choose data card or the card input? Sometimes you select the entire card, sometimes you select the inner one.
Okay,
So
so Kafu, this is the total card control. Okay, it is as good as container that you have. Okay, in that container you have two controls. This is text input control, the label control, text label. You remember when I created this expense tracker? Have you attended the second class or third class?
yes,
So which control I used? I used the text label, right? So this is the text label control. So if you have to make any changes in the label, you have to select the control and make the changes. If you have to make any changes in the drop down control, like where you are selecting the value, you have to select this control and make the changes. If you want to make changes that are applicable to both of these controls, so then you have to select the outer card and make the changes. Getting it?
yeah, got it.
Cool.
In amount, we have both of them as text label control.
No, not text level. One is text level, another one is text input. Okay, different controls. Label means just display the text label. Text input means input.
User
You will
should
be
be
taking input
input.
from the user and it will be in text
Yeah.
format.
Is there any scenario where we'll actually use parent dot default for anything? except for it being
Parent or
blank.
default is what? What is the parent of this? What is the parent of
I
text input?
the card, the contain
The
the
card,
whole.
right?
Yeah,
So
correct.
that means whatever will be the value of whatever will be the display mode of your card control, it will get added here.
Only the
Parent का जो भी
display
होगा.
mode,
Yes, yes.
not any other property.
No. Wherever parent or default is there, that means it will inherit the properties of parent. As simple as that. Whatever you will do with the parent, that will get applied to the child. That's it.
So I'm asking you, is there any scenario where you can show where okay, this property is actually matching the like the
Yeah,
card's property is actually matching.
scenario. Look, you can generate scenarios anywhere, anytime. Okay. Let me go ahead. This is the parent of your amount. I will go to display mode. I will instead of this, I will say, okay, display mode should be display mode or disabled.
Okay, so both won't be able to.
Look what happened. Both of
Yeah,
both went disabled mode,
yeah,
isn't it?
yeah. Got.
Yeah, Indrajit, while
Yeah.
working on the form, sometimes I'm getting like a read only. It will be read only, and somewhere department card and the form, somewhere it is showing like a read only, and the icon also it is showing over there. Why I'm getting like that?
That you have to debug. You have to check the display mode of the properties where you are where it is getting as the read only.
Okay.
Okay, you know now like which property control all this read only and disable thing.
Yeah, read only in the sense complete form. I'm get on complete form. It is showing as read only. I'm
That is
unable
also
to.
debuggable, right? You select the complete form and see the default mode of the form, what
View.
it is. It's if it
Okay.
is view, it will be read only,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
The beauty of this is whatever control it is, it has the same properties.
No, still I'm not getting this.
Okay. So then you can share your screen, only then I will be able to help you.
Okay, sure. I'll be sharing it this time.
Okay. I have stopped sharing. So guys, is there anyone in the class for whom this is the first class?
Yeah, hi Indra. It's my first class actually. But I gone through the previous first two lectures from the YouTube.
Okay.
The remaining two, I think, which are pending, but I will complete it today.
Yeah, that's good. And I hope
Hello,
you are
Indra.
getting the stuff, right?
Yeah, what you're saying?
I'm saying I hope you are getting the stuff that we discussed.
Yeah. I'm getting it.
And basic things are clear, like what is Power Platform, what we will be covering here, and all those things are clear.
Yeah, clear.
Cool. Good.
This
Yeah,
is
Siva.
not
Hold on, Mindya. Siva was saying something. I'll come to you.
Hey,
Keep
Indra.
sharing your
Yeah,
screen.
this is my first class.
Oh, for you also this first class? Have you
Yeah.
covered the previous sessions?
No, I didn't get chance. Actually, this is my first class, and I'm not aware of that.
That is fine. So you can get in touch with the team. They will give you the links, okay?
Sure,
So
definitely.
guys,
Yeah,
can you get
Indra,
in touch with Siva? Yeah. Yeah,
you're
Hirikesh.
saying something like the homework and the other stuff. Where can I get it? Is this from?
Homework, you look, the basic homework is whatever we implemented today in the class, you have to implement the same. Okay, this is the main thing. Second thing is I will give you small challenges. Like I will go ahead and the similar thing I will explain in the class. You have to implement it. It is not like assignment kind of thing that you will get in other courses, right? Where you will say, okay, this is thing that you have to implement or not. Every class is assignment. The same thing you have to implement. And once the module is done, you will be getting a homework project that I will discuss the problem statement with you in the class. Then you have to implement. So until
Okay.
your module is not getting finished, whatever we are developing in the class, you have to develop it alongside after the class.
Okay. And if there are any doubt after the class, like where whom like where can we contact? Like with you directly or someone else?
Look, your name is Harikesh, right?
Uh, my
Rishikesh.
my my name is Rishikesh.
Rishikesh, right? Look, how it works, once you guys will enroll, you will be added to a group where all of the people from your batch will be there in the group. So you can ask your doubts there because all of you are sailing the same boat, right? So someone
Right.
or other must have facing the same issue. So you will
Mm.
be mostly your doubt will get resolved there. If your doubt is not getting resolved there, I will reply there. If I am not getting chance to reply, so then you have to wait till next class and you can ask me in the doubt session. Like Vindhya
Mm.
is asking now, right? So the
Right.
similar way you can ask me.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, cool. Yeah, Vinash.
Yeah, hi Indra. Just wanted to know, Indra, how do I, someone add me to the workspace?
For pop for this Power Apps, right?
Yeah, yeah. I am.
Yeah, I have not added anyone yet. So I will be adding all of you tomorrow because why tomorrow we will be having the people who will be enrolling, right? So I
Mm-hmm.
will add all of you tomorrow in the class itself.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Vindhya, you go ahead. Like where we were.
Yes, Indrajit. So I think it is visible. My screen is visible.
Yeah, screen is visible.
Okay, so this one I have created. So,
Okay.
but the copy also I got because I did a save as. I wanted to change something. Some extra character has been added
Okay,
in the.
copy. Play the app. Show me the
Yeah,
issue.
yeah, but how can I rename that? I tried to rename that also as a question. Okay. Yeah, this is the picture I created. Whenever if I'm doing save, I'll save the once I'll save the file, and then if I'll reopen it, sometimes I get like a read only option over there. So editing option I am not getting. Now it is
Okay,
fine.
got it. I thought you were getting the form at a read only. So this is edit mode of the app. So what will happen if you will go ahead and close the browser window directly? So then your this Power App editing session will get stuck for 30 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
You have
Okay.
to wait for 30 minutes to go ahead and edit the app again. So whenever you are going ahead and closing the app, always hit the back button. Are you able to see a back button?
Yeah, this
Hit the
one.
back button, click on the back button
Okay.
and leave. So the moment you will do like this, you will never see that issue. Read only one.
Okay.
So if you are forcefully closing the app by simply closing the browser tab, the session will keep on active for 30
Okay.
minutes. You have to wait for 30 minutes to edit it again.
Okay. Yeah, that was happening because every time
Yeah.
I was getting the read only mode. Okay, I got it.
Yes. You're talking about form. That's why I got confused. You should have used the word app.
Acha, okay. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool.
And one more thing, here, as I told you this, I got this as a copy um, word here. So how can I get rid of? I want only expense tracker. If I'm trying to rename the app also, I'm not getting anywhere here or I tried somewhere.
Can you click on details?
Uh, Details, okay.
Click here on details. Mhm. I think you will not be able to rename the app. You have to save as.
Okay. I did save as only. That time I didn't realize
In
maybe
save as, you will be getting option to replace existing. Go ahead and replace it.
save as, is it? Okay, I have to
Yes.
open the, how can I go back with this apps?
That's fine. You can explore that. If not able to do, we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay.
And
Cool.
one thing, Andrajit, you were saying that environment access also we will be getting. So I have
Tomorrow.
created the app on the
This is
same.
default environment.
Yeah.
And that
Okay.
is fine. You can migrate it. Or if you're not able to migrate, create it from scratch again. You will get more habitual. That's fine.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks,
Cool.
Indrajit. Yeah.
Thank you. So,
Well,
anyone else, guys?
Sunita,
Any doubt? Yes, Sunita.
environment we no need to create, then you will
No, I will
give
give you
answer.
access to the environment.
So we no need to create.
You don't need to create. Okay.
What about a solution?
You don't need to
Hello.
create.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Indra,
Yes,
I
sir.
just wanted to check what's the course structure, what we are going to cover, and how long will this course be taken place?
Yeah, so
New
Siva,
knowledge.
like course, like for you guys, the first module will be Power Apps. We will start with Canvas apps that we already started, right? So Canvas app will take 15 to 17 sessions where we will learn everything with the project driven approach. If you have attended today's session, full class, right? Full class you attended, Siva? Bro, you are on mute
Hello?
if you're
Yeah,
speaking.
yeah. So this is my first session.
First session, and you have attended, you are with me since the beginning of the session, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so if you have observed, like we have started working on the Canvas app project, right? So with
Yes.
project, we will learn everything. So once this project is done, so then the Canvas app module will be finished. After the Canvas app, we will be starting with model-driven apps. Again, that will take 15 to 17 sessions. One model-driven app we will be building in the class. Then we will start with Power Pages website. We will build a Power Page website in the class itself with 5 to 7 sessions. Then we will start with Power Automate. In Power Automate, we will start with Power Automate Cloud Flows, then Power Automate Desktop Flows, then Microsoft Copilot Studio. Then we will cover admin features. So then you can go ahead and learn Power BI. So everything we will be covering here end to end.
Okay. So virtual agents is not covered, right, in this?
That is Copilot Studio. Virtual Agent is already deprecated 2 years ago. And
Okay,
it is
got it.
replaced with Copilot Studio.
Understood. Yeah, got it.
Indra, you will
Yeah,
also
Rishikesh.
cover the sessions like UAT sign off, production sign off. How can we handle the production? You will also clear that, na?
Everything will be cleared, Rishikesh. You don't need to worry anything. Only thing that I want from your side is to follow everything religiously. Okay,
Okay.
everything should be practiced properly. Other
Yeah.
than that, leave everything on me. Here you go. Deployment pipelines,
Yeah.
ALM.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
everything is there in the plan.
Okay.
Indrajit,
Sure.
Yeah, Kamal.
hello.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah, I think I do have some questions regarding the PLS 900. Do you
Yeah,
have
go
any
ahead.
PDF document to study the PLS 900 to study simultaneously so that
Yeah,
at the
so
end
you
of
don't need any PDF document for that. You have a
okay.
website called as Exam Topics. Okay, are you able to see my screen? I'm sharing my
Yeah,
screen, guys.
yeah.
You can say Exam Topics PL 900 because
Okay,
document at one point of time will get outdated, right? Because all these
okay,
things, Microsoft products, these keep on getting updated. So you just click on this, you will be getting the exact questions that we will be asked in the exam.
okay,
Browse 351 question. Here you go. Reveal solution, discussion, everything you will be able to see here.
okay. Getting. Okay.
Okay.
And then, so how many projects can we expect? We do have some scenario kind of, like app which they have created in my project is recently is connecting through to SQL to get some procedures, okay, to run some procedures by using SQL. Okay, so in the Power App. So do we have any class specifically for this? Connecting SQL server.
Look, Kamal, like making connection to the SQL server, that is not a big deal. Okay. It is just
Okay.
giving the connection string, your server name, database name. That's it. Other than that,
Okay.
once you are connected with the SQL server, then you have
No,
to
no,
do
no.
the
That's
cleaning
not
stuff.
my question. I'm not planning. Those topics also will be covered here in the
Yeah,
comment
connection,
section.
making connection and all we will
Okay.
be covering. Yes.
No, I'm not asking question to learning, just whether we are covering those topics or not. Okay, that's it. Okay, I mean, the calling the procedures,
No,
what
no.
I,
Basically, what I am trying to make you understand, Kamal, like
mm,
here, these whatever we are covering here, these are data source agnostic. Okay.
okay,
When when I say data source agnostic, then that what I mean to say, data source hardly matters what you are using. Now we are building a Canvas app on top of our SharePoint website, SharePoint site, right? Isn't it?
okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes,
So
yes.
now suppose our data got moved to SQL Server, right?
Okay,
What you need to change? Do you need to develop your Canvas app again? Do you need to
no,
put the uh, contact number validation again?
no,
Same thing will work, right? Only connection you have to change, isn't it?
yeah, yeah.
So,
So
so
what I meant to ask,
similarly,
so we are using Excel
uh,
for
let me
the,
complete. Let me complete. Similarly, you are saying you are running the stored procedure, right?
yes, yes, yes.
So stored procedure and all, I will be telling you how to run with Power Automate and all.
Okay, okay. So,
Okay. So
yeah,
you
yeah,
don't need to worry about all those things. Leave everything on me. I will
yeah.
cover everything. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure. Meanwhile, if you get a chance, I just want to connect with you regarding I can show some projects which they have developed in my uh, uh, client with my client. Okay, so that whether we can I can able to do like a same. Can I ask questions in one-on-one something like that?
Look, Kamal, I will not give fake expectations, false expectations. One-on-one for me is very tough because I am also a working professional like you guys.
Correct, correct.
S-
Okay.
So I have office also. So the best time to connect with me in the class only. Okay. You can ask me
Yeah, got it,
questions in
got
the
it.
doubt session. We can stay back. We can extend the duration of the
Because I
class
can
by 10,
share my
15
screen
minutes.
and show a few
Yeah,
apps
you
what they
can.
have developed. Yeah, yeah, so that you can able to
Yeah,
see
yeah, you
how
can.
they are.
You can.
I'll do it by
Currently, don't
coming
show
days,
it.
not
Why?
immediately.
Because, ha, ha,
Not
let me complete.
immediately. Yeah,
I'm getting you. I'm getting you. People do that thing. People discuss personal projects. People discuss all kind of projects with me, and I do help also. I always give mentorship. That is fine. But now, please don't share. Why? Because that will be your organizational project, and it is going live to YouTube. So it will be revealed to everyone. Don't do it now. From tomorrow onwards, we will be having private sessions where like
okay.
recordings will not go to YouTube. You can discuss with me tomorrow, like in the doubt session.
Not immediately. Sure, sure. I'll do that. Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Thanks, thanks. Yeah.
Thank you. Yes,
Indra,
Avinash.
will be covering the Postman as well while we are studying the Power Automate and the custom connectors?
What is Postman, Avinash? I don't know.
Postman is basically, kind of
API.
a test, API
API?
testing and creating API.
Yes. Very good. Postman is nothing what? It's a tool where you can test your APIs, right?
Yeah.
You can test
Mhm.
the response of your API. So that is just a tool, right? So we will test our API response directly in Power Automate itself with HTTP connector.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay?
So means no, right?
Means big no, not required.
Okay. No, it been asked in a few interviews, so that's why I asked.
Look for Power Platform interviews, whatever is required, you will be getting more than that here. Okay.
Hmm.
So, because I am working in Power Platform and Dynamics from almost 6.5 years now, like I will be completing in January, 6.5
Hmm.
years. So, I have interviewed more than hundreds of candidates and I have given more than hundreds of interviews also with almost 40 offers in hand in last 6 years. So you don't have to worry a lot about the stuff what is getting covered and all. Yeah, even like once you are going for interviews, if you feel something we are missing, we can go ahead and discuss. But 99% of the time, everything you will be getting here. You don't have to follow anything outside from this curriculum. So everything will you will be getting in a structured way.
Okay.
When we were designing the course, our main thing was like you should go ahead and work as an individual contributor without having any hand holding from anyone. So interview and all that is the byproduct of this course. That I can say very proudly. So this is not an interview guide that we have prepared. This is end-to-end course. Okay, where you can go ahead and become a Power Platform developer from scratch.
Okay.
Okay, because interview anyway, you can start giving interviews, fail in 30, 40 interviews, and then questions will keep on repeating and you will clear it, right?
Yeah, mostly the question gets repeated.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Anyone else? Again, guys, the people who have not enrolled yet, or the first or second or third class, this will be the last class where you will be interacting with me. Guys, go ahead and ask your questions. That is fine. Whatever you have, you can discuss. Yeah, Shrikant, go ahead, please.
Hey, hi. This is Srikant. So this is my first session. So I got an update from my friend and I have joined this session. So I have not uh, seen your previous recordings. So this
Uh-huh.
is totally new for me. So before joining your course, right? So you were showing in the Excel. So you're
Okay.
having some on your session course. So do I need to follow all the previous sessions before joining your course?
Look, Shrikant, it will be good for you. You will get that confidence whether I'm going to the right place or not, right?
Mm-hmm.
By watching the previous videos. So at
Mm-hmm.
least watch the first preview session, first free session, which is available on YouTube. All the 5
Mm-hmm.
sessions will be available on YouTube. Watch the first one so that you can understand what we are covering, what is Power Platform and all. Right. Then second, third also you can watch. Those are very basic, right? You can increase the time from 1.1 to 1.5, right? The speed of the video. And then you can understand that. So it is recommended to watch. Okay. Take your time. Might be like I will be giving you 2 holidays, right? On 31 and first, 31st and first. So you will be having time. So I would want you to go ahead and watch it. So at least if you are considering enrolling, you go ahead and watch the first video so that you are aligned with the stuff what you will be getting here.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Okay.
shared those links in the our chat now. You can check it. All the 4 classes, including today's session, will be in live streaming now in YouTube. You can check these
Yes.
classes. You will get an idea. Maybe you can first class completely about what is Power Platform and how it will be works and everything. The second session maybe technical concepts from last
Yeah.
2 to 3 days, right?
Correct.
So you can check it. So why we are giving 5 sessions means like you need to be understand how we are teaching, right?
Correct.
True.
Okay. And also everyone you will get a Power Platform license who are joined newly. If anyone missed from the old students like who joined in the 15 days back, even you can write an email to support at Data Vision. We will validate and we will give the credential to you. But please activate after completing your session and completing the explanation by Indra. Then only you can activate the license. Right, guys. Apart from this, if you have any questions, you can ask me like a placement related. We are happy to help you. And I will conduct a session on every alternate day. That is a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You guys can join and ask me questions like if you are not getting calls, you are not able to clear interviews. Example, you are a similar like questions as previously someone said like there is one question asking an interviews like a postman something. These things also we are going to be discussing that during those sessions. If any of our old student as well, if they are got any new questions which is not covered in our curriculum, we will verify if it's really required. We will take a session additionally on that for all the students together, right? Any other questions team you have? And apart from that, we have a mock interview tool as well. You can able to do practice multiple times so that you will get a more confidence and you can predict even the questions. Depends on the JD. Example, tomorrow if you have an interview with a TCS, if you have a JD, it will predict the questions, what kind of questions you may get in tomorrow's session. So you can do a couple of mock interview practice. It will get more confidence to clear the interview. Right. I've observed most of the people failing an interview, even though they know the answer, but in the last minute during the rush or something, they are not able to present in front of the panel. So to reduce this risk, we create a development tool. It will help you to clear them in real-time interviews. Okay. It's an AI interview hub. We are changing the name by this January 1st as a Clear My Interview. Currently, it's available as a AI interview hub. If you guys you can want to try, you can give a try with the tool. I'm sharing that screen, just check it, guys. Hope you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the tool. Okay, so you can check it. You can just do sign up. If it is the first time, you can do sign up. So I do have an account. Let me check it with my credentials. Okay. So this is one. For freshers onwards experience, everyone's facilities we have like interview practice, technical interview. Interview practice only topic wise. Example, in the entire Power Platform module, you're done with the only Power BI. Depends on your experience, you can do practice. Okay. Let's take like a low level or mid level, 5 to 8 years experience. Power BI. In Power BI, again, if you know any separate topics, you can give it a try. Now I'm keeping it as a DAX. Very easy way. Anyone knows Power BI here already?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Majesh, fine.
yeah, right, Kamal. Okay, let me give it a try. So it will on the camera also, but currently I am not available in the office, so I didn't turn on my camera. Okay, it will make it as a real-time entry only. Let's start. You can see the question, and it will record entire your conversation, and you can download it and you can validate how you answered. Okay.
You are building a Power BI report for a retail company. They want to see the total sales for each product category compared to the overall total sales. They have a sales table with product category and sales amount columns. You've tried using the all function in a measure to calculate the overall total sales, but the visual still shows the same sales amounts as without the measure. What could be a potential reason why the all function isn't working as expected in your DAX measure? And how would you adjust your measure to correctly display the total sales across all categories for comparison?
Guys, anyone able to understand this question and able to answer? We are planning to give the only 3-4 modules also in the voice stimulation. We are planning to give only the US and UK accent. Reason, some of Indian students are failing in interview to not able to understand the client accent also. So to able to make it very easy, so we are going to be give these accents only so that you can able to do better practice. We have two options. One, the record answer, and you can just start recording and it will convert as the text and it will push that. If anyone knows the answer, just let me know. So I will type for now, or else you guys can record. Anyone knows answer for this? Someone said Kamala. Kamal, you have any idea on this?
Oh, should check on this. Okay, so yeah, type answer. What it's often kind of answer need to submit or need to type the answer. Okay.
No, we can record also, but currently you are not available directly here. So you can just let me know. I will type manually. Whatever you felt like, you can just let me know. That's fine. It's not a correct answer. That's fine.
Should include the overall table.
Overall?
I just try to use the all. Okay. I just want to include the overall table to display, get the overall sum of the column.
I will include overall
Table.
Table.
To where? Yeah. Because I'm not sure
Validate.
which
That's fine.
I'm not sure which column they use or table they use. Not sure. So I try to include a table and check on it. That's all.
Okay. Right. That's it, the answer, or else you can make it any better.
Oh, okay. That's all I can do.
That's fine, right?
That's fine.
Let me submit. It may ask one more questions. We'll try 2 questions. Okay. It's evaluating and it will shoot the next question depends on your answer, not a random questions.
You are creating a Power BI report to analyze sales data. You have a sales table with columns date, product, and revenue. The user wants to see the revenue for the selected product, but also wants to compare it to the revenue of all products combined for the same date. Write the DAX formula for a measure that will accomplish this comparison. Assume your selected product is defined in a slicer using the product field.
You know the answer?
Oh, 1 minute.
Mahesh, is it smart enough to understand like what level of interview we are trying to give, what years of experience we
Yeah, we
wanted
have
to?
those also, like a JD and resume depends on that. It will shoot the questions, depends on your experience also. We have a
Okay,
more
okay.
options. I will show you. The same thing I told, right? Example, tomorrow you have an interview with the TCS and already you got a JD. So depends on your resume, depends on the JD, it will shoot the questions. We verified with the multiple people. Example, recently for one technology, it's called MuleSoft, I guess. For MuleSoft people, there is a one tool which he don't know, but the interview it's asking questions on that particular topic because JD mentioned it should be mandatory.
Mhm.
Example
And
from a
how?
data analytics point of view, if I mention Tableau also required, so it will start asking questions even though your resume and Power BI, it will try to ask questions on Tableau, at least one or two. When you said I never worked on Tableau, so it will reduce your score.
And how many tries we can give with this tool?
Free is a free. After that, we have a plan like 1,000, 2,000, 4,000 rupees something. But for KSR past students who are already enrolled for the KSR, they will get at 99 rupees.
And
I
how
will
many
show you the
tries
plan
are
also
there?
after this question. Yeah.
Okay, sure, sure. Yeah.
So access is lifetime or for one
It's
year?
an interview based, not at about lifetime or time. It's how many interviews. I will show you like a 10 interviews, 20, 100 interviews, 50 interviews, something like that.
Okay.
Okay,
I mean the
usage.
number of
Yeah.
usage. Okay. No, Makush, I'm not sure about the answer also. Is
Okay.
okay.
Let me try.
Oh,
Okay. So to compare the selected products revenue with all products for the same date, remove only the product filter while keeping the date context. So in the explanation, all product removes the product slicer filter while the date filter remains. So the measure shows total revenue of all products for the same date. So it will take a couple of minutes to process. Okay. A couple of seconds, not minutes. If any spelling mistake, something you can even evaluate also because it's not a test. You are just verifying yourself. So we given all the facilities. Okay. I'm just clicking on that. I will submit the interview also.
You have a sales table in your Power BI
So we
model
have
with
both
date,
options. You can download the
time,
video.
and
You can
sales
verify by
amount,
yourself how you
decimal type,
performed in front of the
column.
camera. And
Write a DAX
the
measure
view
that
report.
calculates the cumulative sales for each
Just give me
day.
a second, it will finish.
That is, for any given day, the measure should return the sum of sales from the very first date in the sales table up to and including that day.
Okay. So you can see the answers question, what the questions it's asked, what answer you given, and it's given the score as just a 20. And it giving feedback also. The candidate answer is was and doesn't address the core problem of all might not be working as expected as the given scenario. So we given just a very basic level of answer it's saying. So the recommendation also it's saying what will be the best answer for that. Okay. The second question. To be frank, this one also I searched in the internet only. I'm not expert in DAX. Okay. So meanwhile, while I am typing, I searched in internet and I given the random answer from the internet source. So it's given the score 60. That's the reason I didn't write a code, but I just explained in the normally. The candidate demonstrate understanding of the core concept, removing the product filter while it's giving at least he had a core understanding. But the best answer with the query, DAX query also. Here it's mentioning it's not even addressing the core problem. Here it's mentioning at least he had some idea because I copied to be frank. Right? It's a topic wise. You don't need to be wait for the total resume. This is the interview practice for topic wise. Only SQL, only Power BI, only Azure, only Python basic or something you can able to do practice. Okay. Any questions, guys, here about its evaluation and feedback? Guys, anyone have questions here?
How the AI model is getting the questions from?
From LLM, and we are also giving the questions to the we are training frequently. We will collect the questions from our students where they are practice attended recently. We will collect those interview questions and will feed from the backend as well. It's LLM models mainly. So we are also feeding manually. So depends on how many interviews it's taking, it will become more strong.
Yeah, I understood.
We have a separate team there. They will be from the placement point of view. Also, when we are connecting with the students, I will collect the information of the interview questions. So from there, we will train this more better. Okay. So it's a, you can see technical interviews and behavior interview. Two options is there. Technical interview is a kind of first round. Behavior interview, maybe it's a managerial round. We can consider in that point. Okay. Let's go to the technical round. We need to be post the JD. First, let's go with the resume. Okay. We need to be update our resume. We can upload our resume directly. If anyone's resume is available, I can able to try to make it right now also. Let's give a try with this resume. I'm not sure what kind of profile it is. Okay, I'm submitting. The next minute it will ask the about the title and JD. Let's take from any random data analytics. Or else let's try with the Power Platform only. For sure, this resume is not Power Platform related, but I will try. Experience, let's make 4 years. So example in Caterpillar, there is an opening for IT analyst application Power Platform. So we have their JD, right? I'm copying this JD and post here, and designation I'm giving as a Power Platform developer. So let it be Power Apps developer. It will analyze and it will give the how many skills are matching, how many skills are not matching. As this regime is not platform related, mostly it will give the mismatching skills only except Power BI. Yeah. SQL and for data modeling, some analytics skills are matching, but all other Power Apps, Power Automate, Platform, Azure, Agile, all these mismatching skills also it's giving here. It's the skill gap. Overall score just 61. Usually we will prefer at least 75 will be the minimum score for any resume. Because this is a Power BI developer resume, so it's not matching for a platform level. You can see it's someone Nagita Power BI developer's resume. Okay. Except Power BI, all other skills are not matching. So now if I are going to for an interview, right, it will shoot the questions depends on this JD. Let's give it a try. You can see it's automatically pick from here. The JD, Power Apps developer JD. So when we are going for an interview, depends on this JD, it will shoot the question so that when you are going for this interview, this Caterpillar, as of now, we are estimating at least 45 to 50% of interview questions are coming from our tool. It's a predicting what kind of questions they may shoot. Going for the interview, similar way, the process will be similar again. Okay. Any questions here, team? You guys can give a try. For first 3 interviews, anyway, it's a free. You can see starter plan. This one, you guys, if any KSR student can get it just 99 rupees. Okay, this enterprises version we are giving for companies and colleges and universities. And also this data we are sharing with the companies to get a better opportunities. Example, if any, same the Caterpillar want to hire for a Power Apps developer, they are posting in Naukri and LinkedIn. So we are going to give our data, our students information with the Caterpillar before actual interview. They can able to check their capabilities here and they will ask for the interview. We are also sharing our information with the companies. So you will get a better opportunities by practicing multiple times. Any questions, team, here? Okay.
No.
It's a completely developed by our internal team. Okay. This is our active users for now, like per day. It's only currently it's not yet completely published to outsiders, mostly with the KSR students only. Okay.
Great initiative. Definitely it will help us. Yeah.
Actually, we are working on this from last 2 years and we are testing with only few people and again correcting. We are trying to get maximum accuracy.
Yeah, you can assess for testing.
Yeah. You can give it a try. So if the AI interview hub, you can do first 3 sessions, 3 interviews. It's anyway, it's free. If you are comfortable, then you can proceed further. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mahesh, I
guys.
have a doubt out of the scope actually.
Avnish.
Yeah, Mahesh, I kind of have a career gap of 3 years in COVID time.
Okay.
So, yeah, will it be a negative?
Currently, you are working or not?
Yeah, currently I'm working for the past 3 years, but I have a
Okay.
gap before that. So let's say
How many years?
2018,
That gap is 3 years, right?
kind of 2.5 years, I would say.
5 years. That's fine. That's fine, Avinash. Like if you are not working currently, it's a problem.
Okay. So
If
I
you are
can
working
very
currently
well
and you
apply.
have passed, yeah,
Sorry?
let me, yeah, complete your question.
Yeah, please go ahead, Mahesh. Sorry.
No, sorry, I interrupt you. You are asking something, right? Let me finish your question, so I will explain completely. No worries.
Yeah. So for the past 3 years, I'm working as a BI developer, and yeah, now currently trying to transit my career into Power Platform. Had internal projects, worked on few projects. So yeah.
Okay.
So can I also try with MNCs like Big
Yes,
Fours
yes,
and
yes. Why? Yes, why not? So, out of your 3 years into the data analytics, anyway, you are using already little bit of basic Power Apps. But in our
yeah.
resume, we will modify like a showcasing. You are at least 1 to 1.5 year. You are using Power Platform also, along with your data analytics projects as a mixed. Right.
Okay.
So we will take care about that resume building. Example, you are working with which company and who is your client. The same client, how it will be if you are a Power Platform developer. One project completely we will keep it as a platform. Another project your regular data analytics profile.
Okay.
So we have a
And
dedicated team only for the resume building.
so what should I mention in the resume that I have a career gap?
Career gap, let it be like example. How many years of your total work experience?
Total 7.
7 years. Okay. So that means before 23 also 22 also you worked somewhere. 22 something you got 1.5 to 2 years
Yes.
gap.
Yes.
Let
I
it be
have
open
worked.
that gap only. You can just keep what experience you have. Like example, you are working might be from 2017 or 16, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep it 2016 to 17 to till 21. You worked. What are the experience you have? 21 to 23, you can leave it similar. And 22 to till date, you are working for the XYZ company. That's it. If they are asking questions why you got a gap, so we have a multiple explanations like due to the COVID time and I need to support my family at that time. I got some gap. Later, I started working in 22 onwards. Till date, I'm working with the XYZ company.
Or can it be handled with the freelancing?
Not mandatory. Unnecessarily going with the fake experience and all. Even though you have a genuine experience, if you are keeping in that way, it may go in a negative way. If that company is verifying in deep, so unnecessarily you will get caught. And freelancer, most of the companies they won't care about the freelance experience. But if you want, yes, you can keep it just as a freelancer if you have any supporting documents for that.
I do not have any supporting documents, Mahesh.
Mm-hmm. But actually, what you did in the tier three, just you supported to the family, or else you have any other
I
business or
was
something?
having a medical reasons and also have medical documents.
Okay, but don't expose about your medical issues. Reason, Avinash, if you said like you are health wise not that much fit, companies will think like you are able to work properly or not.
Yeah, get it.
Right, so avoid that medical reasons for you, but you can mention in your family you just need to be support during that time, or else some other things like you are thought to go to the US or Canada or something. So during that time you taken a break and preparing for the test, and but later I decided not to go due to the current situations. I want to stay in India itself.
Okay, okay, got it, Mahesh.
You
That
can
I
give
could,
that kind of examples,
yeah,
but
yeah,
health
that
issues avoid it.
manipulation can be
Yeah.
technical. I just wanted to know like whether it is acceptable in the market or not.
Yeah, you got a job, right?
But I had something proxy
Yeah,
in the
I got it,
past.
but still, I got it. But currently, if you are working 90%, there is no issue. Only few companies they will think like if you have any career gap in your entire career, just let me know the reason. If they got a valid reason, they will accept.
Okay, okay.
Some
So now
companies
I'm,
even won't care also.
yeah, yeah. I've used some proxy companies, but now I want to remove that because
Yeah,
I
yeah,
kind of
better
have
remove that. Don't
realized.
keep that one for long.
Yeah.
Okay, remove those companies not required in future. We will take care. We will guide you. So we handle these kind of cases lot many. So I will guide you, Avinash.
Okay, Mahesh.
And our alumni also, example, even today also, yesterday night, I got a message from one of our old student. There are opening in their company for Snowflake, example, I'm saying. So they need 1 to 3 years experience who holding on only Snowflake. Even that's fine for them career gap because he was referring.
So
We
startups
got
they
support from our
generally
alumni.
accept.
Not a startup, it's in a decent company only. But if you are going with the managers, already they know about this, they will accept. Example, around 3 years back, one of our student aging around 34 years, he got job as a fresher in Landmark Groups. So we have a tie-up with that company for the placements at that time, and they hired. They are looking at the only skills in that person. That's it.
Okay.
So we will remove your that fabricated document not required. Any other questions, team?
So earlier you are telling about resume builder, Mahesh. So you guys gonna help to
Yeah.
build the
Yes,
resumes
yes.
or
It's
what's the
not a
plan?
help, Shiva. We are not going to be do any help. It's completely our responsibility to build your
Okay,
resume.
got it.
So we have a team called separately for mentors. So each resume they will validate and they will call you. They will take all the inputs from you. So how many years of experience you are total holding and what's your current background, which company, who is your client. So they will try to modify that resume as per that.
Okay, got it.
You can see this our group. So even via WhatsApp also I will send sometimes, and usually they will work on emails. So these people will take time. So on the rush, they won't make any resume. At least one resume to build, they will take 1 hour, including your call conversation per
Got it,
student.
yeah.
They will call you, Shiva, which company you are working, how many years of total experience you are holding, what's your previous background, who is your current client. So depends on that, they will modify the resume.
Okay, got it. Yeah, thank you.
So I believe like here 20 people, all 20 people's resume should be different. There is no similar kind of resume, just random resumes and changing the name and number, not like that. Projects, clients also. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions, team? Anyone have? And we do have a portfolio also. If you are anyone are very comfortable, you can have, we will try to push you to make a portfolios also. Let me share a couple of portfolios with you. Let me know once you are able to see my screen. See, this is the portfolio building. This is a pre-built application. You just need to be upload your photo. You just need to give your resume, LinkedIn, and GitHub account. Automatically, this website will be built. It's also developed by our team. So you will get similar like this. and you can give your self intro and you can post in your YouTube and just keep the link here. You no need to be released, just keep it as unlisted. So people who want to view your profile, only those people can able to access all this information. We can share these portfolio to our recruiter along with your resume. Example, you can interact with the LinkedIn and you can share your portfolio also. So they will give a better idea, they will get a better understanding about you, and it's likely chances to impress and give an opportunity to attend an interview. Clearing an interview, again, it depends on you, but just we will get an opportunity. You can see here at self intro, her Excel, her technical skills, and she was not yet completed course, so it's initial stage. She done only one project so far. That project explanation also.
Hi everyone, I am Neema. Today let me start by giving a brief background of my project, Fraud Detection Analytics and Monitoring Dashboards. In today's digital banking world, fraud detection is one of the biggest challenges. Thousands of
Okay, so this way, during this explanation, right, she will get a more confident. For sure, to record this video, she may take at least 5 to 6 attempts or more than that also. This will help her to get a confidence. She was a fresher, that too from agriculture BSc background, but she was now able to finish one end-to-end project on fraud detection analytics. She was a data science student. Right. You can also make your own portfolio with your projects and all, and you can record your own self-intro. It will help you to get a more confidence. These portfolios we are also sharing with the companies while hiring process.
So coming to this course, so which days this course
Monday
schedule
to
will be there?
Friday, the same time 8 to 9:30.
Okay. Let's say like we need to be mandatorily attending the session live, or can we also go to the recordings? How the session
You can
works?
go with the records also. That's what's up to. So like it's not a school, right? I can't ask you to come to school daily. It depends on
Yeah,
your
yeah.
comfort. So mostly
Got
here working professionals only I can understand their problem also, right? So it's up to you, the learning process.
Okay. So Monday to Friday, 8 to 9:30.
8 to 9:30.
Okay, got it.
So we wish like you just need to be learn something. If you are going with the record or live, it's up to your comfort. But if you are learning, we are very happy and we can also verify, but we will ask like why you are not attending something. But if you said no, Mahesh, I'm not possible nowadays, something, I can't do anything, right?
Yeah, yeah. Got it.
Yeah. So I can't ask you to stand up on bench. But
then
I will raise these concerns when you are not able to clear the entry. If you call me, Mahesh, I'm not clearing my entry or something, resume building, everything, it's my responsibility. I will guide you to get a call. But if you say like, Mahesh, I'm not clearing interview, then I will check it your how much course you completed, how much hours you spent. If it's very low, then I will kind of raise the concern there only. Shiva, you have to finish your classes, then only you can able to complete your get the offer easily.
Yeah, you have all our data.
Yeah. So how many hours you spend when you last login into the website? Okay, how many classes I attend live and how many records you are going with the record, and each record also how many hours you spent on each class also we will have data. But it's not mean like then only if you completed all the classes live only I will make resume or else I will help you to get a call. It's not like that. Once you are a student of KSR, I need to do this mandatorily. Even you are not
Thank you.
attending even single class live, or else even you not completed single session also, even though record. So my responsibility to build your resume and to help to get a call. But making that call successful, it's in your hand.
Yeah, got it. Understood. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, someone is saying something. Kamlesh, right?
No,
Yeah, tell me.
Mahesh. So today is my first class. Okay, so I was not there in
Mm.
the previous class. I have few
Yeah, I shared
questions.
that links in our chart. So all the 4 sessions are available.
Actually,
Kamal.
my question is, I have not reviewed the videos. Might be I should have some questions to ask Indrajit. So can we make a note and ask him by mail or orally I can ask?
You can write an email also. That's fine. Maybe if it's a lengthy, you can write an email. We will try to respond to that. Yeah. So
Great.
that email support@datavision.com. I'm sending that email also.
Yeah, fine. And then I don't have the
During the
Power
class, you
Apps.
can ask directly in the class itself. Now we don't have much time, so you can write an email.
Okay, I'll write an email and tell him.
Your regular questions and all, we have a dedicated community and WhatsApp group as well, and our application community also is there. You can raise your concerns anytime in the group. because we have a student from multiple locations, US, Canada, India. So you can, example, you are practicing during at night 11 o'clock, you got a doubt, just post in the group.
No, oh, no, I plan to send a mail. Okay, I'll be sending
Yeah,
a
yeah,
mail.
sure, come on.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Any more questions, team? Anyone? Mohammed Prem, Rutuja, Srikanth, Shweta, Tushar.
So whom
Anyone?
to contact on the enrollment and next steps?
So, like we have our team, Satish, Sucharita. So you can see their contacts numbers. Satish maybe already sent his contact, it seems.
Okay,
Uh,
got it.
okay. You are joined any group or something? Not yet.
I'm already in a group actually.
Yeah, in that
So
group you can see the admins, so you can approach them.
okay, got it. Yeah, sure.
Okay, or else you can text me also. I am sharing my number. Later I will pass your contact to our team.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
So my number will be 9916961234. I texted in the group chat.
Yep, I got it.
Okay, guys, then we'll meet tomorrow's session.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.